In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to make a coloring book in Canva. So let's get started. So first of all, you'll have to go create a design and click on A for document. So once you're here, you'll have to search up coloring book or coloring pages. So I'm just going to search up coloring book. So once you're there, you'll have many options. So let's say I'm going to put different pages together. So this is going to be my first page, and then I'm going to add a new page. I'm going to scroll down, and let's say I want this one. I'm just going to put this. You can use these activities to teach kids on how to color. I'm just going to take this one. I'm just going to organize many and make a booklet. So I'm just going to scroll down. Look, there's some with pro versions, but since I do not have the pro version, I'm just going to choose the ones which are for free. So I think that's pretty much it. So I'm just going to delete this page, and these are my 3 color pages. I can just click on share, and then I can click download. I can change it to PDF, and then once you have downloaded the PDF, you can just print it, and then you can start coloring. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you next time. Peace out.